I founded Humotech in 2015 with the mission to transform the way the world develops and uses wearable machines. Humotech supports research and development in prosthetics, exoskeletons, and other wearable robotic technologies. Our primary products are a prosthetic foot emulator and an ankle exoskeleton system, powered and controlled by off-board actuators and control systems. We were really impressed with how compact and high power the Elmo drive was. We trialed the Elmo Twitter solution and we were super happy with it. And that's now the standard for our portable and benchtop actuator units. Working with Elmo has been effortless. I can recommend the Elmo solution to anyone looking for a high-performance, very reliable, easy-to-use industrial servo motor drive.
We use Elmo products in our actuators because of the dynamic response needs that we have for our systems. The specifications for the Elmo drive had such a broad range of power and allowed for very quick responsiveness. We've used the gold solo Twitter for our small portable backpack and benchtop actuator systems. It's compact and it's just been easy to work with. And ease too has made it trivial in many ways. Using the smallest Elmo drive, but in our full system, having that sort of range of motor drive options is very empowering. The biggest thing from my technical perspective with the Elmo drives is the torque, the power, the ease of use, the communication, and just how easy it's been to put all together. If I had to sum up Elmo overall, I'd say reliable is the word I'd choose.